I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing the clip and placing it on a sequence that matches its frame size and frame rate. Once the clip is in the timeline, make sure audio tracks are visible and not muted. You can use the source monitor to scrub and confirm which audio channels are present. First actionable step: right-click the clip in the timeline to reveal audio options. This is where you decide to unlink or modify audio behavior before performing removals or adjustments. Once the clip is unlinked, you can select only the audio portion and press delete to remove it permanently. Alternatively, make sure to use the track's M toggle to mute if you want a reversible action. If you need to remove specific components like effects or gain, choose Edit, then Remove Attributes and tick Audio Effects or Gain. Make sure to ripple delete gaps if needed. This maintains timeline rhythm without shifting neighboring clips unintentionally. You finalize by exporting. Go to File, Export Media, and confirm the audio checkbox is unchecked if you want no audio in the render. Once done, preview the exported file in different players to ensure silence and check codec compatibility. If audio still appears, make sure there are no nested sequences with audio enabled, duplicated audio tracks, or incorrect track routing to master. A key tip: solo each track briefly to identify hidden audio sources before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.